At 9:02 a.m., one sentence almost ended his career. 12 executives stared at him in silence. And then his manager said something that made his blood run cold. "Are you sure you want to say that out loud?" He didn't know it yet. But that moment would change his life forever. Because this is what happens when you stop seeking approval. Stay till the end. This story might hit closer than you expect. Meet Arjun, 28 years old, working at a multinational company in a modern US city. On paper, he was doing everything right. Good job, good salary, good reputation. At work, people called him reliable. Managers said he was easy to work with. But there was a truth no one saw. Arjun was exhausted, not from work, but from trying to be liked. He rewrote emails again and again, afraid his tone might upset someone. In meetings, he waited to see who spoke first, then agreed with them. When his ideas were ignored, he stayed quiet. When someone else took credit, he smiled. Because deep down, Arjun believed one thing: if they approve of me, I'll be safe. But safety has a price, and Arjun was paying it with his confidence. Then came his annual performance review. His manager leaned back and said, "You're dependable, Arjun. You never cause problems." Never cause problems. That sentence followed him home. That night, staring at the city lights, Arjun asked himself a terrifying question. If I stay like this, will my life ever change? A few days later, waiting on a subway platform, he overheard a stranger on the phone. "I stopped seeking approval," the man said. "Lost a few people, nearly lost my job. Best decision of my life." The doors opened. The man disappeared. But the word stayed. What happens when you stop seeking approval? Arjun didn't know, but he wanted to find out. The opportunity came faster than expected. Arjun discovered a major flaw in a high-profile project. Everyone knew it. No one spoke. The room was quiet. Arjun's heart raced. "If I speak," fear whispered, "I could lose everything." Then another thought appeared. "If I stay silent, I lose myself." So he raised his hand and said the words that no one wanted to hear. "This plan won't work." Silence. Cold stares. Someone frowned. Someone sighed. No one defended him. That night, Arjun couldn't sleep. He replayed the moment again and again. Did I just ruin my career? The next weeks were worse. He was excluded, labeled difficult, warned to be careful. Fear begged him to go back, but something strange happened. Even on his worst days, he felt free. Then came the announcement. Company restructuring. Jobs would be cut. New roles created. Arjun was offered a safe option, low risk, low visibility. Or he could apply for a new leadership role. High pressure, high exposure, high chance of failure. The old Arjun would have chosen safety. This time, he asked himself one question. If I quit now, what was all that courage for? He applied. The interview was brutal. No smiles, no encouragement. Days passed, then weeks. Every phone vibration made his heart jump. Rejection felt inevitable. But Arjun didn't quit. Not in the process, not in himself. Then the call came. He got the role. Leadership wasn't easy. Mistakes were public. Failures were visible. But Arjun stood firm. He spoke honestly. He led with clarity. And something unexpected happened. People trusted him, not because he pleased everyone, but because he respected himself. One day, Arjun noticed a junior colleague hesitating to speak in a meeting. Fear written all over her face. He remembered himself. "Go on," he said gently. "We're listening." After the meeting, she whispered, "I was scared." Arjun smiled. So was I. Stopping the search for approval didn't make Arjun fearless. It made him unstoppable. Because he learned the truth most people never do. Never give up. Not when fear speaks. Not when comfort tempts you. Not when approval disappears. Because the moment you stop asking for permission is the moment your real life begins. If this story resonated with you, like the video. And remember, your voice matters.